if you talk about these days, like amid Corona pandemic, then it should not be held. And in case if you are, like any agency like railways conducting the exam, then they should provide us a proper safety, and exam should be done, with the proper safety, like keep sanitizing all the time before the entering of the students in
Yeah.
class, and uh, it should try to provide the center in their respective local district. So if it is not far away from the exam center is not far away from their houses, then they can go to the center easily. Bus, by anyone, any other vehicle, they can go by their own vehicle if it is nearer, right? So that's how we can reduce the transmission. And just like the examination of NEET and JEE has been conducted, so they can do like them only. So that's how it can be, a little bit easier, and it will not lead to increase the coronavirus cases.
Yeah, you're right. The exams will be not held in this pandemic. But you know that day before yesterday on Saturday, I have also gone to Chandigarh for my examination for NDA. So the government had given the order that like UPSC is conducting the exams, JEE Mains, as well as NDA, and after on 12th we have the NEET examination. So yeah, government is doing also. Government has started the different trains for these students so that they can travel, and the government is also providing some apps so they can send the centers, and also they provide the vehicles. But yeah, it is very difficult for some students because what I had seen, Vicky, is that in the examination center where I had given my examination, there were very less number of students. Many of the students were not come due to this coronavirus. So I think the government had taken the decision wrong. I think they can extend it a date. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we are right that the government is focusing on the year or the time that this year should not be tested. But you think there are the certain families that were not allowing their children to go outside to this pandemic district. So instead of different centers, like you have mentioned the point that they have the centers near their premises, like they have the center in their nearby district. So it is very better for them. And also the government is providing the sanitizers at there, but it is not enough. The government is not providing the hotels because the students can't take the risk to go in the certain hotels due to the pandemic. Also, there were very less number of vehicles through which they can go. And now you can see that in the Kerala, there was this flood was coming, and I think the number of students have their classes homes, they were not able to go to the different centers who have filled the form of J and ND also. So it is very difficult for them that how they can go. Either they can save their items, they can save their things from the flood, or they go to the center for the examination. So I
Yeah,
think the
exactly.
government should give some relaxation to those students in the state of Bihar side, Assam side, where the flood is coming. We can see that India's GDP is decreased a lot from the rule of the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh to Narendra Modi. That it is decreased a lot, and at the unemployment side, India's GDP is so decreased. Instead of
Yeah,
agriculture
it has.
side,
Yeah, it had already downfalled.
so I think the government should listen about the students. They should provide certain things now, and it is good that they will provide the exams. But we can see that like UPSC is giving the center, UPSC is providing the exams. But while we can see that there were certain videos coming of the SSC of the railways, they were not taking the exams nowadays. So,
Yeah, and
what about
government
those
has
students who are what about those students who are preparing for these exams?
yeah, exactly. And some at a times SSC takes 2 to 3, more than 2 to 3 years in order to complete all the terms of SSC.
Yeah,
And India has the experience of the holding NEET exam and JEE. So in the same way, they can conduct the examination of SSC, banking, and railways too, with the safety.
it's provide the results also late. India, the SSC take the very late result, also provide very late
Yeah,
result to the new recommends candidates. So I think as far as the students, it is the on the same basis. Like the UPSCs provide the result at a good time. So SSC has also do that thing. Also, I think in this examination, what happened, the many of the students have their examination on the same date and their examination classes on one date. So it will not happen. And also
yeah,
in every district, this examination should be held. So it's better for the children that is from the poor family as well as the women who are from the background whose parents were not allowing them to go for the nearby districts to go examination, so they can go for that. It's fine now. Okay.
yeah.
So it is very nice to talk with you, Vicky.
Yeah, nice to talk to you too, bro.
Okay,
So,
bye.
okay.
See
Okay,
you.
bye, bro. Yeah, see you.